Alright, what's up guys, this is Jake. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and set up Wix Payments on your Wix website. So first off, in order to actually accept payments, you are going to have a Wix premium plan. So we can see right here, if I just open up Upgrade Now, just to go ahead and show you the type of plan you'll need. So we can see right here that if in order to accept payments on a Wix website, you're going to need one of the business and e-commerce plans. So you can really pick whichever one you want, whatever one you think is most suited for your particular business and needs. So once you've gone ahead and done that, you can come down here back to your dashboard and you can come into finances and click on payments here, and then you can go ahead and click on manage payment methods, and then we're going to be brought to the payment options right here. So the first option we're going to see here is Wix Payments. So this is the one that the majority of people are going to want to go ahead and use because this is the easiest one. It's offered by Wix, so it's going to be the most intuitive and easy to use. And we can see that you can connect to accept all credit and debit cards. So this is going to give us a lot of coverage as far as payments go. So in order to set this up, you would just go ahead and click connect, and then you would just want it to go ahead and confirm that you are not selling any of these products right here. And if you're not, you can go ahead and use Wix Payments. But if you are, then you're going to have to go ahead and use a different provider. So you would just go ahead and click continue, and you are going to be good to go here in just a second. And like I said earlier, you're going to see that you have to go ahead and upgrade in order to use that as well. So the next thing we can set up here is PayPal. So PayPal is one that I would recommend setting up as well, because PayPal is a pretty universal checkout method at this point. A lot of people use PayPal, so it's definitely nice to have the option on your site. And setting up PayPal is pretty easy. You just click connect, you come down here and you just put in your PayPal email address and click connect, and that's it. You'll be set up. So setting up PayPal is very easy, and I would recommend doing that as well as another option. Now, we do also have other options as well. The next one here is manual payments. So if you wanted to go ahead and accept cash or check or other custom forms of payments, you can go ahead and set that up in here. Wix has also added a bunch of new payment options recently, which we can see right here if we click see more payment options. So we can see there's a bunch of different options here that we can take a look at. So we can see here there's pay save cash, which lets customers pay securely and easily with cash for purchases from your website. This is one that's probably not going to be used too often. Now, these next two are ones that are going to be used more frequently here. So we can see that Afterpay here provides your shoppers the ability to pay their order over 4 installments with no interest charged. So let's say if you're selling really expensive products, this would probably come in handy. So if you're selling like $1,000 product, Afterpay would allow the customer to go ahead and pay for that $1,000 product in installments of $250 each. And then down here, Affirm also does a similar offering, but instead of it always being 4 installments, Affirm essentially just provides financing for the purchases. So there's going to be a lot more customization here with how the customer can pay with Affirm. But both of these are good options, especially for more expensive products where people will want to go ahead and split their payments up. Then we have point of sale here. So this is more so used if you're going to be selling things in person, like in a restaurant or something like that. And then we have Pinwheel here, which is similar to Wix Payments, where you accept credit and debit cards. However, this does include high-risk businesses. So if you were one of the businesses that was selling one of the products that Wix Payments doesn't want to work with, you could go ahead and see if you could work with Pinwheel instead. So this is a good alternative if you're selling some of the crazier stuff. Then we have Sezzle, which is another buy now, pay later. So this is similar to Affirm and Afterpay. And then we have Alipay here, which is the largest payment solution for Chinese websites. So this is another option as well. And then we have Evergreen Payments Northwest, which is another credit and debit card solution that also includes support for hemp and CBD products. We can also see we can open up third-party credit and debit providers, and we can see that we could go ahead and connect with Stripe, which offers credit and debit cards, Square, which offers credit and debit cards, Braintree, and Pinwheel once again. So if we go ahead and go back, I would say as far as these additional payment methods, the most likely ones that you're going to be using besides Wix Payments and PayPal would be Pinwheel if you're selling something that's a little bit sketchier, and Afterpay or Affirm if you're going to be selling something that is pretty expensive. And as far as actually setting all of these up, they're pretty easy. You just go ahead and pick the one you want to set up, hit connect, and then you can go ahead and set up the accounts by following the instructions here. So in this case, you'd have to create an Affirm account and then put in your account information. So with that said, that's how you can go ahead and set up Wix Payments on your Wix website. So with that said, if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in another one.